and today I'm back with a brand new product. Today's product is the Gits Ready Meal Pav Bhaji. So for all the Pav Bhaji fans out there, this is a ready meal Pav Bhaji from Gits, which can help you all enjoy Pav Bhaji anytime and anywhere you all want. Right at the comfort of your home, while traveling, while in office, this is what you need. So basically you just need to heat this pack and your Pav Bhaji is ready to be served. So guys, let's get down to the review of the Gits Pav Bhaji, and let's start off with the packaging of the product. Like all other Gits Ready Meals, the Pav Bhaji also comes in a nice cardboard packaging here, green colored cardboard packaging. It has a Gits branding right on top. There's a Gits branding here. Then there's a Ready Meals branding below it. Then the name of the product, which is Pav Bhaji, is mentioned here. Vegetables, spices and nothing artificial. Mumbai street style recipe. This is a Mumbai street style recipe. Microwavable pouch is inside. There's a microwavable pouch, so you don't need to transfer the contents to another container or anything. You just need to remove the pouch and keep it in the microwave and heat it. The best part about the Gits Ready Meals is that there are no added preservatives in it. There's no added colors or flavors, and it comes in a multi-layer hygienic package. It uses the advanced retort technology to preserve food without preservatives. That is the best thing about this, that there are no added preservatives in this. And the shelf life of the Gits Pav Bhaji is 12 months. Like without preservatives, you'll be able to preserve this product in your shelf without opening it for 12 months. So this is a new recipe, now even tastier. This is a new recipe of the Pav Bhaji, which is now even more tastier. This pack serves 2 people, it is written here. The net weight is 300 grams. It's a pure veg product, there's a vegetarian mark given. Moving on all the 4 sides of the package, you can see the Gits branding, the Ready Meals branding, and the name of the product, which is Pav Bhaji. That is present on all the 4 sides of the product here. Moving on to the back side of the product, here we have the Gits branding, the Ready Meals branding again. Preserved without preservatives is written in bold to assure you that there are no preservatives in it. And then they're given the method of preparation, as easy as just take boiling water, take a vessel of boiling water and immerse the pouch in it for 5 minutes, and your Pav Bhaji is ready to serve. Take the pouch, put it in a microwave heat it for 2 minutes, and your Pav Bhaji is ready to serve. That's how easy it is to prepare the Gits Pav Bhaji. Now moving on to the important part, the net weight of the product is 300 grams, like I told you all, and this Pav Bhaji from Gits is priced at ₹110. So the MRP is ₹110 here. Here they are mentioned the nutritional facts of the Pav Bhaji are mentioned here as well. Gits has also mentioned the safety protocols that they are following during the pandemic times. They do daily temperature checks of the factory workers. Masks are mandatory. Regular sanitization of hands and surfaces every 20 minutes. Food Safety System Certificate, manufacturing, the FSSC certificate they have. And they have a really nice initiative, which is women empowerment, where 95% of the factory workforce are women. That's a good thing about Gits. Now let's go ahead and unbox the Gits Ready Meals Mumbai style Pav Bhaji. So we just need to tear it open from here. So we'll have to tear the box open from above. And inside the box is a microwavable pouch here from Gits, which contains the Pav Bhaji. So let's look at the packaging again. The microwavable pouch, this is a microwavable pouch, microwave safe pouch. You can directly put it in the microwave and heat it. Here's the Gits branding, here's the Ready Meals branding. It says heat and eat. Heating instructions are given here. In the microwave, you just need to cut this pouch 2 inches at the top right here and keep it in the microwave and heat it for 1 to 2 minutes. You have to keep it standing, don't keep it slanting, or the Pav Bhaji will come out, right? So keep it standing in the microwave. You can also cook it on a stove top, like just boil water and then put the sealed pouch in it for 5 minutes, and it will be hot and ready to serve. Again, they have mentioned that there's no added preservatives, there's no added flavors or colors, and there's a multi-layer hygiene packaging that they do. They use the advanced retort technology to preserve the pav bhaji without the use of preservatives. So yes guys, that's all the information available on the inner pack, and you can actually see the pav bhaji from here. It has a nice and red color here to it. It's yummy, it's written here underneath the pack. If you can read it, it's yummy, it's written here. So let's go ahead and let's quickly prepare the pav bhaji, the Gits Pav Bhaji, and do a taste test for it. So guys, we are going to quickly prepare the Gits Ready Meals Pav Bhaji, and we are going to use a stovetop method, in which I have taken here is a vessel full of boiling water, and in this boiling water we just need to let this packet dip it in and let it stay there for like 5 minutes. Let it be submerged in boiling water for 5 minutes. And then your Gits Pav Bhaji will be ready to eat. So guys, this is a Gits Pav Bhaji. It's prepared and I have removed it in a serving plate. So it looks so authentic and so aromatic it is right now. It looks so delicious. I just can't wait to try it right now. So guys, you can see the rich red flavor of the pav bhaji. It looks exactly like the restaurant style pav bhaji that we order and eat. And this is from Gits. This is a Gits Ready Meal Pav Bhaji, which you can prepare in like under 5 minutes. You just need to heat it to eat it. And right here I have just put some butter on top of it to add flavor to it, and some onion here. So first of all, before I add onion, let me just go ahead and do a taste test without any addition, just to know the original flavor of the pav bhaji. So here we go. This is the taste test of the pav bhaji from Gits Ready Meals. This is a taste test of the Gits Ready Meal Pav Bhaji, and we are going to do a taste test right away. It has a nice and authentic flavor of the pav bhaji. Not very spicy. A lot of vegetable flavor in it. A good masala flavor to it. And definitely adding butter and adding some onion, topping it with onion and lime, it's just going to taste amazing. So it tastes exactly like the pav bhaji which is available on the chopati or from a restaurant. Right, this is the Mumbai style pav bhaji which is available from Gits in a ready to eat pack. So definitely an amazing thing from Gits here. Amazing product, very well priced, and overall I would rate it a 5 on 5 for the amazing taste of the pav bhaji. The quantity is also good enough to serve 2 people. This is just the half the quantity that I have removed in the plate right now. There's another same amount of quantity available in the serving dish as well. So yeah, like quantity wise also it's quite good, and I think this is definitely a good buy. I would definitely recommend any pav bhaji lover to go ahead and try the Gits Pav Bhaji. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.